So, 21st century, we have the news, we have the social media, and we see a lot of things going on with AI technology, AI services, and a lot of AI-based products. What's happening? Okay, half of these problems and half of these solutions you are seeing from the AI side is coming from the infrastructure. So it is hidden from our view. What is happening is we are having a giant web of interconnected services behind the scene, which is making our life easier every day, from the healthcare services to the power plants and power distribution systems. They're all somehow connected to the AI services. So let's have a question here. What happens if a single failure happens in one of these services? It ripples on. It goes on, and maybe a huge chaos starts from a national level. So what do we have? We have the traditional maintenance system, which are trying to come up with some solution with the modern problem of interconnected AI services, and also the scalable, very complex systems, software systems we are developing every day, but the infrastructure are old, are not updating every day. So I come up with a system, with a maintenance system, which is predicting the behavior of your system. We are checking your complex inputs and outputs, and with my model and what we have done with my team, we are now able to predict the behavior of your system, predict when and how it is going to have a failure in the next event. So now we are not worried about this problem, and now we have a solution. Thank you so much.
Michael Bidollahkhani, your applause.